In this video, I am about to show you how to easily learn Dutch in Memrise. First, open the Memrise app on your mobile device or visit the Memrise website on your computer. If you don't have an account yet, tap on Get Started or Sign Up. You can create an account using your email address, or you can sign in using your Google or Facebook account. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to select the language you want to learn. Then scroll to the list and choose Dutch. Next, Memrise will ask you about your learning goals. This means you can choose how much time you want to spend learning each day. Options range from just a few minutes to longer sessions based on your availability. After setting your goals, Memrise will guide you through some introductory lessons in Dutch. You'll start learning essential vocabulary, including greetings, numbers, and everyday phrases. Memrise uses flashcards, images, and audio to help reinforce your memory and improve your pronunciation. As you progress, you will learn grammar rules, sentence structures, and more complex phrases. The app also includes practice exercises that focus on listening and speaking, allowing you to become more comfortable using Dutch in conversations. If you want to access extra features like offline learning or more in-depth practice sections, you can choose to subscribe to Memrise Pro. To make your learning experience smoother, try to practice daily. You can easily adjust your learning goals or track your progress through the settings menu at any time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.